Uh-huh. Is there really like a camera outside taking pictures and rendering them in here? Like, I'm really curious. Let's move a little bit forward, I'm wondering. Let's do it again. It really is. Okay. Is that bones? Oh no. Tentacles? Just tentacles. That's the little crevasse. What in the hell? What the fuck? Okay, is this gonna be necessary at some point? What the fuck? What the? What the hell? That was behind me. What do we got? Am I looking at something weird there? I don't know what I'm looking at. I don't know what I'm looking at. What is there really to talk about, right? I'm stuck in a claustrophobic... environment. What the hell was that? Ooh, look at that. That's interesting. I don't like that at all. What is that? That is, that's geometric in shape. What the... What the fuck? Huh. That's what... Okay. So clearly, the other ship, right? It was the exact same ship from the movie? I don't know. Let's get the hell out of here. But yeah. Oh god. Okay. That's cool. You got me there for a second. What the fuck? What would you do in this situation? I'm interested. You're trapped in this iron lung. They only give you instructions to go take some pictures. Okay. Ooh. What the? What in that? What the hell? Bro. Oh shit, what? I didn't even know if I could pick this up, but like my instinct was just like pick it up. How about now? I don't like that. What? Okay. Don't worry about it. 180. Okay, I guess I'm hitting straight at that. You're being very weird. What the hell is that? An anomaly? Whoa, 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 whoa. What the? Oh my god. That was insane. Maybe I should have cosplayed as Markiplier in the movie. Give myself a wig. Oh, wait, what the f... Okay. Alright, well, speaking of the movie... Okay, okay. Oh, the water's... or the blood's dripping from the ceiling. I didn't notice that earlier. Okay, we're here. Oh, God! Oh!